Hello everybody, welcome back to the Magic Academy. It is the fall season. We are in October here, so let's learn a spooky card trick, the October card trick, a Halloween card trick. We've got the beautiful bicycle ghost playing cards to perform this and explain this fun card trick. It's a self-working one, super easy. Go ahead and spook your friends with this one. Let's look at the performance and then let's look at the explanation. This is the October Halloween card trick, and there are 31 days in October, so first things first is grabbing 31 cards. We're counting those down, place the other 21 aside. From there, you tell your spectator that you have a prediction, okay? And we're not going to look at this until the end of the trick, where this is actually going to tell us exactly the location of your card. So we'll get back to that in a second. From there, you have your spectator shuffle these cards up. And after they shuffle those cards, you have them grab a small packet of cards, and they place them into their pocket. And of course, you need to know how many cards they selected. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. So let's say they place that in their pocket. We'll have Thing take care of those for now. From there, they can shuffle these cards up, and they can choose any card they want. In this case, the 7 of diamonds. From there, you have them place however many cards they have in their pocket, on top of their card. So there's 3, 6, 7 cards. And you have them return those cards to the top of the packet. From there, you're returning your back the whole time. You turn around, you say, okay, look, I have a prediction here. And this was the last time this card trick worked, and that was on October 21st, when I first performed this. And we're gonna use the date to find your cards. So October is month 10, and we'll use number 21. So first things first is for each month, we'll take one card and place it on the bottom of the deck. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And so you picked a random number of cards. Your card's somewhere lost in here, but we're gonna just count down 21 cards for the 21st date. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 cards. That leaves us with one card. One card only, and sure enough, their selection, the 7 of diamonds. It's a fun card trick to do. Very easy, very straightforward. Works every time. You just got to use the same prediction, October 21, and you can create a story however you want to tell it and have some fun with it and spook your friends. So once you have your prediction written down, placed in your cell phone, whatever it might be, October 21, you then mentioned there are 31 days in October, so we need to grab 31 cards. From there, you can have your spectator shuffle these cards up. They can choose any number of cards. I think as long as it's less than 10, the card trick should work. So have them just make sure they grab a small pile, something less than 10 cards. So let's say in this case, they choose 4 cards this time, and they place those into their pocket. From there, you can have them shuffle the cards all they want, which is awesome. They can choose any card. They place that on the table. They put the 4 cards on top of that, like we showed in the performance, and they just place that on top. And so however many cards they have in their pocket won't make a difference as long as it's less than 10. And the card trick will be all self-working from there. So then you show the prediction, and you count down 10 for the 10th month, October. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then count down 21. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 cards, and every time is their selection. The perfect spooky Halloween card trick for this time of year. Get some great reactions, self-working, gets the spectator involved. Nothing's better than that. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.